Hi class, I just wanted to do a little tutorial on how the discussion boards are going to work from here on out. It's going to be a little bit different probably from what you're used to. So this week we were all together for our discussion board and introducing ourselves. But starting next week you're going to be divided into two groups. So I'm going to click on the Lesson 2 Weekly Class Discussion Board. And here we have different prompts that you can respond to. You're only required to respond to one of them, but for this, for lesson 2, there are 4. It's not always going to be 4. It just depends on what the reading assignments are. You are seeing on mine both groups, and yours will only have one group, so you will only see whichever group that you're in. So instead of starting a new thread, I don't want you to do that because that will just confuse our discussions. So what I would like you to do instead is post on the threads that are already created. So if you're going to respond to prompt number 1, click on the prompt, and it will show you the prompt right here in this little area. And then you can say reply to thread, and this is where you're going to type your initial response. So once you've typed up your response, you click post. And then you can also reply to your classmates' posts as well. You can do that in your prompt, but you can also go back to the previous page to where it lists all of the different prompts and read some of the others and respond to those as well. In fact, I would encourage you to do that because it will give you kind of a bigger, broader perspective on all of the different discussions that are going on, rather than just sticking with one prompt. That just gives you kind of a narrow view of what the lesson is. But if you read through some of the others, it will just give you a better experience. So you are required to read 3 other posts and respond to at least 2 of them. And you'll just need to kind of keep track of that on your own. Also, I would like for you to go back through your own posts and respond to people who have replied to your post as well. So I will be in the discussion boards as well, and when I respond to your post, often I will ask a question, and if I ask a question, it will be bolded and italicized to make it stand out, and then you can quickly see if there's a question for you to respond to. So not all the time, but often I will respond with a question. So please let me know if you have any questions. I hope that this makes sense, and don't hesitate to ask if you still are confused or need some help with it.